that 3, 4 times, can I testify for you? I told her like you, that bitch, I do it. All that I'm around, you're scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody's like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top chat right with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. A door when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do.
Nilishangaa kumpata hapa Westland. Kaenda polepole nikaweka pikipiki hapo kando. Sikutarajia wala sikujua.
Ukampata hapo.
Kaweka mkono kwa mfuko. Wakakuja wanne. Nimevaa tu helmet. Sijatoa. Wakakuja wanne. Hey manze, nyaje? Kaambia poa. Ati biashara ama? Kaambia ndaka biashara. Sasa kila mtu akaanza bei yake. Kwa 200, 300. Kaambia sasa nimesikia maneno mengi. Lakini mnipe time mimi mwenyewe nijue nitadili na nani. Because siwezi deal na nyinyi wote peke yangu. Wakaanza simuondoke mwenyewe achione. Sijui nini. So wakaanza mambo yao hapo sasa. Hiyo unajua hiyo ni saa 9 usiku. Kaanza mambo zao hapo sasa. Mimi nimesimama. Sasa akili yangu ikaniambia tu juu huyo mweupe. Na hata sikuwa na hamu ya kwenda kulala na mtu. Mimi nilikuwa napita tu. Nikasema acha ni joke na hawa watu. Nikasema wewe acha nijua, akakuja. Kunifikia nikamwambia Jerry, kumbe unakujanga huku usiku. Alishtuka. Akasema sasa jushanipata. Leo tu nitakupea.
Atakupea bure.
Kaniambia leo nitakupea. Nikamwambia fanye hivi. Acha tu nikupea vitu kwa kwenda kunywa hapo kahawa. Mimi sitaki. Na nikampatia vipi nikachukua pikipiki. Sasa hao kaanza, sasa wewe niaje kwani wewe na yeye nini? Akaanza kusema wewe afiki bei.
Oh, yeye wewe Njeri ndiye anasema.
Anawaambia hao wenzao. Ati huyu jamaa afiki bei. Sasa kwa nani anataka kufagiwa na pesa kidogo? Na ashachukua chwani yangu anaenda kukunywa chai. Yaani si kuamini huyo msichana. Kesho yake nilikuwa naosha pikipiki hapo tu sasa nje. Kwa sababu tulikuwa tunakaa tu karibu na wao. Hata alikuwa ni kama alikuwa ananichungulia na anarudi kwa nyumba anashindwa kutoka.
Hi guys, so I hope that you enjoyed that little story time from my Bolt driver. Anyway, so I had been in Nairobi for actually more than 2 months, so I decided to head back home. I obviously used the SGR because it is quicker. Somebody told me that when I start catching flights it will be even much quicker and I will never go back to the SGR. But anyway, the SGR leaves at 10 and this is the time that we were leaving. Then I took a tour of the bathroom. This is how the bathroom looks. Yes, you can use the bathroom for either number 1 and number 2. There's a sink to wash your hands and there's a toilet which you can flush. So yep, if you've ever wondered, then there is a toilet in the SGR. Yep, that is me flashing it, showing you how it is flashed. Anyway, it was the train arrived at 3:30, as you can see on my watch. Then there are matatus out there which can ferry you from anywhere. I did buy a fridge, so I bought it from Naivas as it was on offer. So yep, here it is. It was being delivered, and I was just super grateful that I can do this for me now. It took a lot of saving, and I'm still recovering from digging up my account. But yep, here is my fridge.
Siweke kwa moto for 8 hours.
Iweke kwa moto for 8 hours.
Hiyo compressor itulie, so unajua ime move.
Oh, okay. Sawa.
Inaweza iweka usiku karibu ama kesho asubuhi.
Sawa.
Nimekupea warranty?
Umeshanipea.
Unajua iko in good condition? Iko sawa.
Iko sawa. Haya, nimeshukuru sana.
Kama ndio kufunga nguo.
Asante.
Ofisi yako ni nzuri. Ile itakuwa inataka kwenda
Inatumika.
Ama kwenda shida. Usiote.
So having a fridge for me was really important, especially because when you stay in Mombasa, food goes bad really quick. So that is the main reason that I got it. Also just drinking cold water. And aside from that, the nature of work that I do actually, because it's not always like 8 to 5, sometimes it's very wee hours of the night. So yep, this fridge will just help me plan myself out better. The fridge actually stayed empty for more than 2 months, maybe just water here and there, because I traveled to Nairobi, and yep, so which is why on this day I decided to stock up. You know those TikTok videos, those arranging your fridge TikTok videos? So I was onto those, and yep, I just wanted to do a huge stock for this fridge because I've been waiting my whole life for this. So yep, enjoy this time lapse.
All in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can be up with something. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you.
Hi guys, so I'm back home and I wanted to show you everything that I've gotten this far. So first of all, here are my nails. Once I got them done, I don't know how I feel about them, but you guys, I feel like I'm getting into my feminine era, and it's just so nice to get, like, I don't know, and I type the whole day, so it just feels nice to have your nails done. Yeah, so I recommend it. It's therapeutic, it does something to your self-esteem. So if you've never gotten your nails done, try getting your nails done. And so from Dubois, I did get this one, Hobby shower gel, and it goes for 300 or 350, in between 300 or 350. I've not tried it yet, so I don't know how how it is, but in the supermarket it goes for 450. I also got this shower loaf. For me, nimechoka kuoga na net, so this is what I've gotten. My sister sells these bags. See how cute they are. My sister sells these bags, so if you're interested in these bags, you can get them. So they tell me, and I'm going to, yes, there's a bigger size. I think it's a size 4, there's a size 6, there's a size 8. So they're big sizes. So if you want a bigger one, just text me, then I'm going to connect you with my sister to get these cute Masai. Let me wear it for you to see. It's just so cute. Let me first start with the toiletries that I've gotten. I've gotten a brush for my bathroom, Cortex. There's Menengai bar soap, Safisha for the utensils. This because it was on offer, so cuddles, and it comes with Topex, so I'll use this to clean and stuff, and this one for my clothes. So I've gotten this. I want to put it here in my kitchen to hang the towels. So yeah, they are cute. They're blue and green. Also gotten this because it was on offer, the scoring powder and for the toilet. Ini Harpic, sindio? Nataka ni Hurricane ni Harpic. Then 4 tissues for me for this month. I've gotten this, also it was on offer. I've gotten this for my utensils for cleaning the dishes. Mostly mende because mende ziko kwa hii nyumba. So yeah, hopefully this will help. Hii pia jotu ya the same mende, big one. Dental floss, toothpicks, you already know. Brush for cleaning clothes. Since I've gotten my nails done, I have to find help in cleaning my clothes, so this one will help. And earbuds, Omo for clothes. So yeah, those are the cleaning supplies and toiletries and stuff, you guys. So I've dreamt of this. I've always wanted to have ice cream. Even if I see a container of ice cream, I just dream of one day I'll have ice cream in my house. So the first time I've gotten ice cream, it was buy one get one free. If it's on offer, definitely getting it. So I've gotten ice cream, it was buy one get one free. I wish they had mixed them up. Maybe if you buy, this is vanilla strawberry, I wish that they mixed it up. If you buy vanilla, you get perhaps chocolate, but well and good, still saved up some money. So it was around $5.20 for once, and then you get another one for free. So yay! I've gotten these buns to, because I have smoky, so I wanted to make smoky. Wanted to make, I don't know, sandwich. Is it a sandwich? Hot dog? I don't know. You guys, I'm new to this. Pasta, 2 Santa Maria spaghettis. This one for breakfast, morning harvest, sugar, sour porridge. I love porridge, so this one is a must. It's like an essential in my house. Indomie, Prestige, just because it's cheaper. So Prestige, hot and sweet, tropical, coriander. This is the only spice that I've gotten, just because Mombasa ni mji wa spices. Mombasa has so many spices. I saw so many spices in Marikiti, so I'm going to buy them from there, like real spices, no preservatives or anything. So I'm going to get them from there. I got these jars from Nyamangu. When I went to Dubois and I was walking along the street, there was a man selling these, and I wish I got more. But if you go to Dubois in the evening, you'll definitely find that man, because it's just one street. So you're going to find that man. This one was 80 bob, this one is 60 bob. So I'm going to buy these just first, then get the spices. So yeah, nice, right? Nice. Some muffins from Naivas, mala, yogurt, drinking chocolates, just the sachet one. I bought, I think 4 of these or 5 of the tomato paste. Nor, I think I had this from Maggie Mwende, if I'm not mistaken. She's the one who once recommended these cubes, and ever since then, okay, this is the second. Wow, I don't use them much, so I think this is the second time since I've done my entire, okay, it's almost a year since I moved here, and it's the second time that I'm buying them. So Nor beef cubes are it, so you can use them. Then bought these small sachets for coffee dormants, Nor chili beef cubes, go fruit, smokies, and I'll add them to the buns. We'll try that recipe tomorrow with you guys. Ukwaju, guys, I'm addicted to this. Is the best drink actually. And finally, Coca-Cola cans. So yeah, I didn't know this was, okay, it's not quick, but I didn't know that it was, I thought that I'd stay here for an hour. But yeah, this is the biggest shopping I think I've done in my, no, I've done a bigger shopping with Margaret in our first, in my, I think the most favorite for everybody, the most viewed video in my channel, the moving vlog. That is the biggest shopping I've done. And then another one, and then this is the third biggest ever in my life. So yes, everything is arranged. Actually, this fridge is really big, so I've arranged everything, the drinks, the drinks, the more drinks. Okay, these fruits should be here. Okay, yes, so the oranges are there, and the 3 apples that I have are here. So yep, everything is done. Done. Aside from those, I have to sort those. So yep, that's it for me. I love you guys so much. Subscribe if you haven't. Wow, I'm so sweaty. I'll see you in my next video. Hopefully it will be more consistent. Love you. Bye.